All right, what's up, y'all? So we got the Losi Hammer Ray Curry, and I'm showing you we got some more things we got to fix, and then I got some modifications that are just mods. Like it didn't break, nothing broke, but my steering did. But okay, so these pieces right here, got these for like 10, 11 bucks or something on eBay. But they go right here. They replaced that one and then that one over there. Comes with the extra hardware and stuff, you know, but you can just reuse the old stuff. So then this is what broke with the steering, right? So on the steering, this is what broke. So this has to be replaced for sure. Here's the part numbers. I got this off of eBay, so that's what it is. That's the name of the part, and that's what, you know, the part number. Right? So I didn't have to replace that, but I can just tell that could break in the future. All this, it works together basically. So I don't feel like why replace just this little piece that's broken. I'm replacing all of it so I don't have any more issues with it. I feel like this is mandatory though. This isn't just some little upgrades you do for fun. You should do this. Now just order these parts. If you have one of these, order them now because it will break eventually. The steering is gonna break. I learned that, you know? So, you know, and on this one, remember, I replaced these. I broke one of these already. I replaced the front end. I broke the grill. I replaced the drive shaft and the rear end. The rear differential went out. All right, so we got these parts here for the steering. Then we got these parts here. These are the upper trailing arms. They go like right there and then over there like that. So we got them. That's optional. Then we got this piece. I feel like this is optional too. But, I mean, it's a sway bar, so for it to be aluminum over it being, I don't have it put together, I just have it sitting here like that. So it being aluminum like that versus it being plastic, see, that's where it goes. It's not all put together, though. I'm just showing you, you know? It probably will make a big difference as far as instability. So, as far as making the car more stable, that's where that goes. But I still feel like this is optional. This is optional. This is optional. These are optional. That rear end, mandatory. The drive shaft, optional, but get one. They're like 10 bucks, 11 bucks. Yeah, and it's two different pieces. The housing for the rear diff, the whole rear differential, the rear diff is actually another piece inside, so it's two separate pieces. It's the housing, and then you have the actual gears. It's two different things, you know. So, yeah, definitely get the rear end. That makes this thing a lot better. It makes it more. Before the gyro was always I would take off, and the gyro was always trying to correct it. It was always kind of like swerving around, but with this, it doesn't do that as much at all. So this made a big difference. I'll say that. You know, these, you should probably replace these. These will probably break. I replaced these already. You know, these are aluminum. So yeah, that's the steering. The steering's gonna be mandatory. Just get them parts, have them on deck for when it does break. Drive it till it breaks and then replace it. You know, but yeah, I think I covered everything at this point, man. So we got the, where did that go? Fell right to the ground. So we got two of these for up here. Boom, boom. Should do there's another, I think there's some lower ones too, but we'll worry about that later. Mandatory for the steering. And it's really right under here. This piece right here, if you see them two little bolts right there, see them? Right, like there and there. that's where this is gonna go, like that. But it's like goes underneath all that, you know? So, and then this little link goes somewhere like right in here. And then this one hooks to like the servo in there. That one hooks to the servo, if I'm not mistaken. But either or, you'll figure it out. It's not that difficult. Yeah, so that's some really good game I can give you all for this. I've had it about 6 months. It's one of my favorite cars, but it's been down a couple of times where I had to fix it. So I've been a little frustrated. So I'm telling you guys the things that'll save you the time. So when you got to order these parts, it takes, you know, X amount of days to get here from China or wherever. If you can get them local, whatever, cool, you know. But, you know, just get all these parts right now. But you're definitely gonna need these. I feel like you'll need these. These break really easy when they're plastic. I had to replace the grill, you know. You know, it's been through a little battle, man. It's been through a little battle, you know. Yeah, there it is, though. One of my favorite RC cars, man. I got a bunch, so that's saying something.